Okay, guys. Now, in example number 2, it says use a calculator to find the following values. Now, like I told you in the last video, every angle measure has its own tangent. Every angle measure has its own cosine. Every angle measure has its own sine. Okay? And it's always the same. Regardless of what triangle it is in, these ratios are always the same. So I want you to use your calculator, and I want you to find for me the value of the tangent of 18 degrees. Now, you're going to say, well, Mr. Cortez, how do I use my calculator to find that? All right, here's what you do. I want you to type in the tan button. Look, I'll draw a picture of the little tan button that you press. And I think on the screen, you're going to see something come up that looks like this, tan with parentheses.
Yeah.
Then you're going to type in 18. Now, you can close the parentheses, but you don't have to if this is the only thing that you're doing, right? If I'm not timesing this value by something, if I just want to know what the tangent of 18 is, then I can press the enter button, right? And then it's going to give you a value. The numbers are going to switch, it's going to spit it out, and it's going to give you a value out to 9 places. But I want you to give me the value rounded to 4 places. Okay? What's the value of the tangent of 18 to 4 places, Alex?
0.3248.
I'm sorry, you said 3248, didn't you?
Yeah.
Is it 3249? Does it round to 9? Okay.
It doesn't round.
It doesn't
It's
round
just
to 9.
There's 1 after the 9.
Oh, okay. I see it. It was a 9 anyway. All right. Good. Now, having done that, now let me ask you this. Don't use your calculator for this next one. Think about this triangle. It's a right triangle. One of the angles is 45 degrees. What's this angle down here, Ethan?
45.
45. Ethan, let me ask you something. How long is one of these sides? You decide. You tell me.
Wait.
You're just picking a number.
Oh.
How long is this side?
4.
Okay. If this side's 4, how long is this side? 4. And this is 45. So can you write the fraction that represents the tangent of 45? Because remember, tangent 45 is equal to opposite over adjacent.
Oh, 1.
So it's 4 over 4, which equals 1. Type in tan 45 and see what you get now. Tan 45, hit enter, and see what you get. Kai?
1.
You get 1. It doesn't matter what size this triangle is, right? This triangle could be enormous. Ethan picked the number. He picked 4. He could have picked 5 billion. But the other side's also going to be 5 billion. So the tangent is going to be 1. 5 billion over 5 billion is 1. All right? Yeah, Liam.
Is there a trick like that with 30, 60, 90 triangles?
Well, there is. 30, 60, 90 triangles. The tangent for a 30 degree is going to be the short side over root 3, and we have to simplify that. Okay, so we're going to get the short side over, I think it's root 3 over 3, if I'm remembering correctly. If I remember, it is. It's root 3 over 3. That is the tangent
Okay.
for 30. Okay, but we don't need to worry about it right now. We can always just type it into our calculator and see what the value is. All right, good job, guys. Let's look at the next example.